Hola. It is lunchtime. And it's time to eat. I'm hungry. Starved to death. I don't look starved to death, do I? Got me some Arby's today. Damn, what's wrong with my straw? My straw has a hole in the top of it, so I can't really suck it through. Horsey, I got me some of these Arby's, I forget what these are called. Jalapeno popper thingies. I better have more than that now. Look at that. They're falling, they were out in the bag. It's like somebody done took a bite of that one. I didn't look like I cared, did I? I'm super hungry. It is like noon. That's a beef and cheddar. Ow, you're scratching me, kitty. What is that? Classic beef and cheddar. 2, 3, 4. Classic roast beef. That's what I got. Today's Friday. I got dinner for the family tonight because, well, I got some sandwiches. They can make them a salad or something because I got to work tonight. And, well, they sure don't like to give me any sauce, do they? They act like it comes out of their pocket. But I have to work tonight. So I'm not going to be cooking no dinner. But I am getting ready to do a recipe video for you guys. And I'm going to take what I'm making, I'm taking for lunch. And they can have some of that too. Give you a little hit. Look at that. I know you've seen the Arby's commercials. Does that look like one of their sandwiches? That's ridiculous. Happy belated 4th of July. I was going to say. I like to lick these. I got that bronco berry sauce that goes with the jalapenos. Look at that. Look at that. Mmm. Happy belated Valentine's Day. Mmm. I love these things. And we'll just dip them right in there. I should ask for an extra one of these. Okay, try those. I love those. I'm a slow chewer. But happy belated Valentine's Day. I hope you guys got, I hope your Valentine, love that shit. I hope you got so much goodies. I hope you got flowers and candy and cake and anything your little heart desires. That straw ain't gonna get it. There's no sucking power to it. But, I got roses, of course. Beautiful, beautiful roses. With my head cut off. And I know y'all know how much I like birthday cake. So, my husband got me like a little tiny rose cake. It is so pretty and it's going to be so delicious. I haven't had any yet. But maybe I'll have some for dessert. Cat, you're going to get it. I like to mix the horsey sauce and the barbecue sauce on my Arby's roast beef sandwiches. What do you like to do? What does Miss Daisy like to do? What does Miss Daisy like to do with her roast beef sandwiches? I'm gonna slap them jaws in a minute if you get over here and get my food. I'm so hungry. I've got everything chopped up because I'm gonna do it. Daisy, your claw's going into my leg. Look at it. Look, you can't even eat for these monsters. Get back. I'm gonna do a recipe. As soon as I'm done eating, I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna do a recipe video. Pat. Mmm. It's gonna be very simple, very easy. And it's going to give me one little hint. It's gonna have America's favorite classic noodle in it, ramen noodles. It's gonna be really good. It's really good. I made this the other day. I like it. I'm a soup type person. I've always loved soup, any type of soup. Give me soup and I'm always happy. But it's gonna be like a spicy, excuse me, sriracha type soup. It's gonna have shrimp in it and green onions and white onions, and it's just gonna have all the right stuff in it. But you're gonna love it because it's delicious. Anybody else lick the sauce off the side of the roast beef sandwich? But you're gonna really like it. But back to Valentine's Day. I hope you guys got everything that your little heart desires. I bought for my daughter, bought her a nice big teddy bear, and I bought her own little personal box of candy, and I bought her a real life plant. It's called a polka dot plant or something like that. It's really super cute. She's really into those what do you call those little tiny fake plants? I forget what they're called, but she's really into them, and her room looks so pretty. But I got her a real plant. She thought it was fake. I said, no, you really gotta take care of this. Get down, Daisy May. But I should show it to you. Maybe I'll show it to you next time. I'd rather eat. And what else did I get her? Got her some little, striped, Valentine's socks. They're really cute. Get down. So let me know in your comments below what you got for Valentine's Day. I'd love to know. You can show a picture if you want. It's okay. You can show a picture. I don't mind. Well, if what you got for Valentine's Day is something you can show a picture of anyway. You know what I mean. I didn't get that lucky. Maybe next Valentine, who knows? Tickled to death. My subscriber count just keeps going up and up and up and up and up. And I need to do something special for you guys. Since you continue to support me and watch all my raunchy little videos. Oh no. I'll have to think about it. That's funny. My daughter is volunteering at my place of employment. Today, she's out of school today. She is trying to get the National Honor Society. She's just so She's just a smarty britches. Mm. And that text was from my boss at work. I dropped her off my signature blend seasoning. She said her son loves my show. I'm not really sure how old he is. I don't think he's that old. Maybe 9, 10, 11, somewhere around there. I'm not sure how old he is, but I don't know your name, but hey, a big shout out to you. And make your mom make you something really good with that seasoning. It's really good. You're gonna like it. That's exciting. Maybe I need to get him a t-shirt or something. Order him a little t-shirt. Find out what size he wears. I probably got some around the house here. So if he's a fan, then I'm going to have to do something for him, right? I love these. Look, they're filled with cream cheese. Now, oh my god, I gotta remember to write myself a note. I better do that right now. Good, have us, Daisy. I've had the ones with cheddar in it, and I don't really like them too well. Yeah, there is something out there that I don't like. My nose is running. And you know what? They're not even hot. My nose runs every time I eat. But it's so good. But like I said, I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. I'm just kidding. Valentine's Day. Because I know I certainly did. I just want to get on here and say hello to you. Haven't putting like little short vlogs letting you watch me eat lately, so why not, huh? But I'm gonna get my food eaten. I'm gonna kick this cat's butt so I can get this next video started, so I can go to bed, so I can go to work tonight, you know, the same old routine. But you know, I appreciate you guys watching so much, and make sure that you watch out for the next video. Hey, tell me what you thought of that that sexy music to my ultimate waffle and all that. Isn't that awesome? Maybe I'll just do a video of me like just bopping around dancing to that. That's amazing. I love that music. It's like cat trying to eat here. She's all up in my food, but I like that music, so. But we'll definitely keep it kid friendly anyway. But thanks so much for watching this video, all my other videos, all my recipe videos, and just literally just putting up with me. You know, I love you guys all so very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Tracy, you better make that boy something with my seasoning. I'll see you next time. Bye.